The Spoken Wheel is a new and upcoming, vibrant family-run business based in Roxton, Bedfordshire. We offer a high-end barista coffee shop, with a cycling theme, combined with a standalone cycle repair shop. We aim to establish a reputation as a destination for great coffee, tea, food, and bicycle repairs. Our bicycle repair shop offers a high standard of work, is fully insured and CRB checked. To top it off, free collection and delivery. The restaurant is the new addition to our shop, and perhaps the most exciting. Open, Thursday to Saturday from 1800 hours. Locally sourced meat, freshly prepared and hand-made with secret recipes. Our chef will blow your mind, with his amazing dishes and unique touches. We have themed nights, special events, and lots more going on. Check our website for our menu, for an evening you will not forget.